Hello all, we will study the program to find transpose of a given matrix. Now before we write down the program, we will understand what is transpose of a matrix. Before we see the transpose of a matrix, let us understand the location indexes of a matrix. So as you know, this particular location has the index 0, 0 because your row number is 0 and your column number is 0 as well. This particular location has the index 0, 1 because your row number is 0 and your column number is 1. This location is 0, 2 because your row number is 0 and your column number is 2. Similarly, this location is 1, 0 because your row number is 1 and your column number is 0. This location is 1, 1 index because row number 1, column number 1. This location is 1 index 1, 2 because your row number is 1 and your column number is 2. Similarly, you have rest of the indexes in a matrix. Now, let us take an example of a matrix A. You have created a matrix A with the capacity as 3 by 3. That means you have 3 rows and you have 3 columns. You ask the user to enter values inside this matrix. So this is my filled matrix with elements. Now I am supposed to take transpose of this matrix. So what is a transpose? So for taking the transpose, I have created one more matrix over here, say T, with the same capacity, with the same dimensions, that is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now, if you say that you want to take transpose of a matrix, what you do is you put the elements in a row in the subsequent column. That means my values at row number 0, that is 1, 2, 3, will be inserted in column number 0. So this is how matrix transpose looks like. Values at row number 0 have been put in column number 0. Values at row number 1 will be inserted in column number 1. Values in row number 2 will be inserted in column number 2. Now, if you observe closely, what we have done is this particular value has been placed here. So, the index of this location is 0, 0, 0, 0. Observe the second value. Okay, this value 2 has been placed here. What is the index of this location? Index of this location is what? 0, 1. This is location 0, 1. Now value at location 0, 1, index 0, 1 has been placed at this particular location. Now what is the index of this location? This location is 1, 0. Similarly, take the next example. Take the next value. Alright, this particular location has the index 0, 2. This value 3 has been placed over here. What is the index of this location? Index of this location is 2, 0. Similarly, this particular value 4 has the index 1, 0. This 1, 0 value has been placed over here. What is this particular index? This is index 0, 1. You can refer over here. Alright, this is index 0, 1. The next value, that is 5, value at 5, 5 remained at 5, 1, 1 index. The next value, that is 6, okay, has the index 1, 2. It has been placed at this location. This particular location has the index 2, 1. In other words, if I'm accessing the value at a of ij, okay, if I'm accessing the value at a of ij, अभी यहाँ पे I का value is what? 0 and j का value is what? 1. So if I'm accessing this particular value, a of 0, 1, in my transpose matrix, I'm putting that value at the location 1, 0. In other words, ji. Alright, I will repeat again. If I'm accessing this particular value at location ij, this particular location is what? 0, 1, right? I का value is 0, j का value is 1. In my transposed matrix, ये 2 को कहाँ पे डाला गया है? Over here, in this particular location. What is the index of this location? This is 1, 0. In other words, जहाँ पे ij था, वो ji हो गया, right? So this is what we are going to, this logic is what we are going to implement in a program. Now let us go and write down the program. First of all, I will require a matrix to store my input values. So this is going to be my input matrix A. I will require one more matrix to store the transpose. So this is going to be my transpose matrix. I have created this matrices with the capacity as 10 10. So 10 by 10 का matrix तो create हो जाएगा, but out of them we can use only say any dimension matrix. So we can use only 3 by 3 का matrix out of that big space of 10 by 10 का matrix. So for that I will also require some another variables here. I'm declaring those variables. Now let me go and first ask the user ki how many number of rows and columns the user wants of rows and columns. Okay, so n and n are those variables. M and n are going to be my number of rows and number of columns. All right. So m is my number of rows and n is my number of columns. वो बड़े मैट्रिक्स में से exactly कितना rows और कितना columns use करना है for this matrix A n for matrix T that we have taken from the user. Now I'm going to enter some values inside that matrix. I will ask the user to enter the elements of matrix. Now, whenever I want to access a matrix, I have to make use of two for loops. So I will start with for I equals to 0. This particular for loop is to access the rows. That's why till my I is less than m. M is my number of rows. This particular for loop is going to work. The next for loop is to access the number of columns. So this will work till my j is less than n. N is my number of columns. So I'll write down the scanf over here. The value that I'm accessing is being placed at location A of ij. Alright, so here I put the values or elements inside my matrix and fill my matrix. Now I'm going to take the transpose of my matrix. Now, in order to take the transpose of my matrix, again I have to put the two for loops in order to access the matrix. So I will put the two for loops here. Now, how do I take the matrix transpose of a matrix? So if I'm accessing this value A of ij, ये A of ij का जो value है is being placed at the location T of ji. So T is my transpose matrix जहाँ पे मैं transpose करके डालने वाली हूँ. So whatever value at location ij, A of ij I'm accessing, I'm putting it at location index T of ji. As we have seen in this example before, if I'm accessing this value at location A of 0, 1, A of ij, I'm putting it in my transposed matrix, I'm putting it at the location T of ji. That means this location is 1, 0. Alright, so this value, ये location हो गया T of ji. Alright, so the value at A of ij is placed at location T of ji. So this is how you take the transpose of a matrix. If you want to see the execution, look at this. If you start with I equals to 0 and j equals to 0, that means over here you are accessing the value of A of 0, 0 location and putting it at T of 0, 0. That means A of 0, 0 का value access करके उसको T of 0, 0 में डाल दिया है. Now, after this, your loop, ये जो inner for loop है J वाला, it will increment, your J will become 1, right? Your J is going to become 1. So, if this is 1, this is ij and this is ji, right? So, J should become 1. So you are accessing the value of A of 0, 1 and you are putting it at the location T of 1, 0. If you go back to this location and see, if you are accessing the value of A of 0, 1, this is location A of 0, 1, you are putting it at the location T of 1, 0. You are putting it at the location T of 1, 0. तो देखो 1 0. This loop will iterate again. J का value is going to become 2. So that means this is going to become 2 and here you will have 2 as well. Okay, so A of 0 2 location पे जो value है, it is being put at location T of 0 2. If you go back to this example, okay, A of 0 2 ये location पे जो value है, it is placed where? It is placed at the location T of 2 0. T of 2 0 देखो Ji. Alright, so this is how this particular loop is going to work. So this is my J, this is my I. Okay, so I'm done with the transpose of the matrix. Let me just go and print the transposed matrix. Right, whenever I have to access a matrix, I have to make use of two for loops. I'm going to make use of those two for loops over here. I want to print a matrix, so I'll write down print f. My value is getting printed. Now my transpose matrix is T, so I'm going to print the values at the location T of ij. So this particular step is for printing of the transposed matrix. All right, we will execute this program. It is asking me to enter the number of rows and columns. So I'm going to enter a 3 by 3 matrix. I'll enter the elements. 1. See, these elements that I'm entering are going to be entered row wise. Row number 0 ka sub elements. Now row number 1 ka elements. Now I'm putting row number 2 ka elements. Alright, so this is my transpose matrix. ये row number 1 का जो values था transpose करके it have been placed. Row number 0 का जो values था transpose करके column number 0 में आ गया है. So this is my output, this is my transposed matrix. So you can compare it with this output over here. See, you got the transpose matrix. This was my input matrix and this is my transpose matrix. So this is my output.